digital series on the new gloves from Hunt Monkey. And you know, Hunt Monkey, they are really a brand new company to the hunting world. They've had some Fish Monkey gloves in the fishing world that people really love, but I'm so excited to see a brand release these new hunting gloves in August 2021. We're some of the first folks to see these gloves.
Yeah.
And today I'm excited to talk about specifically a couple of their early season gloves, the more lightweight options.
Warm temperatures.
And here on my side, you know, this is a great glove. This is called the Sneaky Pete, and it is a lightweight, fingerless glove, which I adore because I was always the guy who would cut the fingers off my gloves when I'm bow hunting
Right.
and, you know, hot weather or even gun hunting in some places. I love that these gloves that lack that top part so you can really feel, you get good purchase on your release. If you're shooting a bow, you can feel that trigger. They're just a nice glove with good grip here on the leather interiors, but light enough that your hands don't burn up.
That's right. Well, I've been using the monkey hands this week, and you know, we both had the ability to use these hunting here in Wyoming this week, so it's been really nice to actually put them to the test in the field. But I've had the monkey hands, and now I'm usually a guy that likes to have my fingers covered. And you know, that comes with what the glove offers. You know, in this situation, as we talked about earlier, Hunt Monkey has a range of sizes, so I can really custom fit that glove to my hand and its size. So as long as I can do that and I don't have to cut the fingers off to get that extra room, I try to have my fingertips covered. That's just the way I am, a little different preference, which is pretty neat. Now, there's a couple things that I would tell you when it comes to the early season I'm looking for in regards to elements that the glove offers or benefits. And you know, concealment's one of them, protection's another. And you know, it could be that physical protection or thermal protection. One of the cool things about this specific glove is that it has a brushed interior. So when it comes to that thermal protection, you're gonna feel a little bit more warmth out of them. They're also windproof, which is cool. It's not too often that you get a glove liner that's windproof. And you know, we've been out here in the open elements. We have big temperature swings this time of year out here. You know, you might see a 20, 30 degree temperature swing between the evening and the midday. So you might have some cool mornings. You might have a little wind, but it's gonna knock that down for you. You're still getting that grip on the interior of these gloves. The other cool thing is, let's say you're a guy like me that likes to have that finger protection, but you want to mix it up a little bit and you want that thumb and index finger to be uncovered. Look, you can do that. You've got the ability to flip those over and those fingertips can stick out.
Nice.
And you know, again, for all those surfers, you've got fabric there that allows for you to operate your touchscreen. So
Awesome.
pretty cool. I mean, I've had a great experience with them. They really speak to what we're looking for in regards to benefits out of our gloves in the early season, no matter if we're, you know, bow hunting, crossbow hunting, or maybe an early muzzleloader situation in the whitetail range somewhere. So.
Yeah, they're gonna hold up. They're well made, double stitching, just a solid glove. And they even have UPF coating, you know, to protect you from the sun. So all in all, really great products. Some warm season gloves from Hunt Monkey. Folks, stay tuned. We're gonna also show some of the cool season gloves that hold a lot of warmth.